Good day everyone. Today I will be introducing to you the context of the word functions as far as mathematics is concerned. So in math, function is a relation in which no two ordered pairs have the same first element or abscissa, or simply each input is paired with exactly one output. So I have here some examples for you to better comprehend with this given definition. For example number 1, the ordered pairs are 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So let's just identify first the domain or the first element of these ordered pairs. So we have 2, 3, 5, and 7 for the domain. And for the range, we have 3, 4, 6, and 8. Having said that a relation can be a function if there are no ordered pairs which have the first same elements. So again, the domain of the first examples are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Since there is no repeated x element in these ordered pairs, then this example number 1 is a function. And for example number 2, let's identify the domain. We have 5, 6, 7, and 5. And the range, we have 6, 5, 8, and 4. Since the number 5 in the domain has been repeated, then it's no further a function. Instead, it is called as a relation. So again, there should be no repeated first element or abscissa for the relation to be classified as a function. And these examples help me to introduce to you the types of correspondence. There are actually 4 types of correspondence. The first type is one-to-one correspondence. So I have here the example. From the term itself, one-to-one, meaning one range has its own corresponding range. So for the given example, the domain includes 4, -2, 5, and 0, while the range includes 5, 1, 6, and 2. Since there is no repeated x element in the domain, then this correspondence is a function. The next type of correspondence is one-to-many. So the example here suggests that the domain is only 5. And the range includes 1, 2, and 3. Since the domain 5 has been repeated thrice, then it's no further a function. Instead, it's a relation. And the third type of correspondence is many-to-one correspondence. So I have here the example. For the domain, it includes 4, 5, and 6. And for the range, it includes 10. Since there is no x element repeated, then many-to-one correspondence is a function. And the last type of correspondence is the multiple correspondence or many-to-many correspondence. So this is the example. For the domain, we have 4, 6, and 5. And for the range, we have 5, 6, and 7. Since in the domain, the element 4 or the number 4 has been repeated twice, then this is no further a function. Instead, it is a relation. The other way of determining if a relation is a function is through the vertical line test. And a relation is a function if each vertical line in the coordinate system passes through at most or exactly one point of the graph of the relation. So I have here the example. For the first part, f of x, the graph intersects the vertical line at exactly one point. So this is an example of a function. On the other hand, with this illustration, the graph intersect or the vertical line intersect the graph with 2 points. Therefore, it is not a function. Again, for you to identify if a relation is a function, first, there should be no repeating first element or in the abscissa. There should be no repeated abscissa. Second is through the help of vertical line test. The vertical line should meet the graph of the relation at exactly 1 point. And I prepared here an activity for you to test if you comprehend with this topic. So this is the activity. It is entitled as Does my relation functions? All what you're going to do is to tell whether the given is a relation or a function. So the first given, we have the ordered pairs 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 1, 2. Second given, we have the ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. For the third given, we have the ordered pairs 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 2, 5. And for the last given, we have this graph. Okay, and for the answer with this, for number 1, it is a function since there is no x element repeated. For number 2, it is also a function since there is no repeated x element. For number 3, since the x element 2 has been repeated, then it is a relation. And for given number 4, if we draw a vertical line here, it will intersect the graph at exactly 2 points. Therefore, it is not a function. Instead, it is just a relation. So, thank you everyone, and I hope that you have learned from today's discussion.